Everybody, it's a pretty chilly morning. I think fall has definitely hit here in Ohio. All the leaves are starting to change pretty good, but we're starting to get our frosts every morning now instead of like the one here or there. So it's Honey and I are out in the workshop, and we're going to keep plugging away. My dad was nice enough to come over yesterday and help me get some of the shelves set up, but I can't push them in place just yet because I still need to paint behind them. So the plan is today, even though it's going to be a nice day, I got to get the painting done. We'll see how fast it goes. Alright, so from cutting all our shelves and stuff, we have a bunch of random scrap 2x4 material, so we're just going to make some kindling out of it with our Craftsman hatchet. Look how rusty this thing is. I'm feeling it's a little rusty, and that's not helping. Rusty and dull, but we'll chop up a few more, and we'll be able to use it to get our fires going easier. Alright, well that's enough to get our fire going in the house and out here in the workshop tomorrow. Yes, Sparkle's not going to be around. She's doing stuff with some lady friends, and I'm going to be in and out, so I'm not really going to have a fire. I don't want to have a fire going when I'm not here, out in the workshop for sure. Alright, back to painting. Oof. Hey everybody, it's a weekend morning here at Sparkle Farm. We're going to be in the workshop all day doing stuff, so Honey and I both decided that today would be a great day for our first startup of the wood burner today. We had it going last season, but I painted everything, I sealed everything better in the last couple weeks. So last night, before I was done for the day, I stocked it full of cardboard and some scrap wood that we had. So we're gonna just get it going and try and see how warm we get the shop. Nope, you gotta back off. All right, thank you. Thank you. So just a bunch of random cardboard we had left over. Alright, looking good so far. Alright, open the damper all the way, that probably helped too, huh? Right? Is this going to be your favorite place to hang out all winter? Just gonna let it do its thing, and hopefully we're gonna enjoy it shortly. But yeah, you can see the pile of scrap lumber I have from cutting all of our shelving here in the workshop. So I figured that'd be a great way to use it up. Oh yeah, I can hear it roaring. Always a little nervous the first time firing up something like this. Alright, well we're gonna sit back and enjoy it. Alright, so this is about 10-15 minutes after I started it, so I'm going to call it a win. We're going to see how well the paint handles with the heat, but we should be good. Alright, so we got a good fire going in the workshop, and we got smoke coming out of the chimney, looking good. It looks like that'll be one of our next projects here in the next few days, is cutting back all those branches over the workshop. Alright, well, I'm glad this is working out for us, and we'll see how warm it gets inside the workshop today. Alright, so we're going to check on our hoop house overnight. Like right now it says it's 64 degrees outside, and actually it feels it, but the weather people say in a day or so we're going to get some maybe snow flurries, maybe. So I actually wanted to see how well our hoop houses keep our Hungarian Peppers from freezing. So I'm going to hang the transmitter from the hoop, and we're good. Now we'll be able to monitor it while we're inside nice and warm. Yeah, alright, well it's I'll keep you posted on what happens here, but just a Hungarian Pepper update. Everything's looking good. The frost hasn't affected anything. Alright, let's lock it back up.